Hi, welcome once again. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm here to present a easier way for the integration of Amazon Payfort into your web application. Because of many users approached me via an email and LinkedIn to get and help on this integration. I realize that everyone is looking for a straightforward solution to get this done. So today we will discuss the same steps. So let's go to the implementation process. Here we have a checkout page. So once I click on the checkout page, before we get started, let me just put highlights on this video. If you keep the notes and follow the instruction, I hope you can integrate this Amazon Pay for integration within just 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and then I will just highlight some important points for the implementation and integration of this Amazon Pay for. So let's get started. We have a checkout page. Once we click on proceed to checkout, we will be redirected to the checkout page. So here we have the checkout page. Let me put the test card. Okay, let's put the test card basically. Just put future dates. Okay, let's see their response. So we will be redirected to the emulator where we need to verify authentication code for this transaction, but let's put it as it is to get the response. This transaction will be declined basically because we are just testing the process. So let's see, transaction declined, and now we will be redirected to the web page. So here we can see the transaction number. Either it is the success response or failed response, we will get our transaction number that we can utilize in our web application to show the transactions and failed and success response in our admin panel, our web applications. So let's try once more time to see the response from Amazon Payfort. Let me show you once more time, but this time we will open the network tab and we will see the response from their server, what information we get once we are redirected to the checkout page, I mean into our web application. Now we will be redirected to the web page. Here we can see the transaction one, but let me go to the payload. Here we can see the detailed payload that we have received from their server. We can see response code, card order name, everything that we have sent in a body, and the response that we have received from their server. Okay, so all these information are being used as a test case. Okay, now let's go to the code base and see how it is working. So now this is very important part of this video that you need to follow. First of all, you have these parameters as a payload in your request. You need to use purchase command if you are using redirection method, and then need to put the information that you will get from merchant portal, access code, merchant identifier, like this. And then the second most important step is you need to sort these parameters, okay, and then once you have a SH string, I mean, once you prepare a sorted string, you will have a straight string, okay. Then by using that string, you need to create a SH string that will be created something like this. You will get a pass request phrase from the merchant portal, and keep in your notes that there are two passphrase. One is the request passphrase and one is the response passphrase. So you need to use request passphrase. Put it in the start and also at the end. In the middle, you need to use the sorted string by using these parameter. And then after that, once you have a finalized string, then you need to make it a signature like this by using hash SSH256 method. After you have a signature, then you need to append this signature into these parameters, and keep your notes here. This is very important part, that if you make any mistake in these steps, you will get a invalid signature response from their server. So you need to make the same sequence, you need to sort the string, and you need to make such a string like these, okay, and then put it in this array. Finally, once you have these parameter ready, then you need to submit this request, I mean display this request, this parameter into your form. Like we have this form, and then display all of that input into the form. So here we will have a form basically, and once we click on this, we will be redirected to the web page, and then based on the details, either it is a success transaction or failed, we will be redirected to the our web page, that you can mention what will be the return URL, you can put it here. So I hope you have a clear idea how to implement Amazon Payfort. If you still feel that you need some help, you can approach me on my email, my YouTube channel, LinkedIn. So I will be definitely there to help you. Thank you.